Sapan Taksin Station used to be the terminus of the original line, which was built in 1999. Now it is the only station on the whole of the BTS network to have only one platform serving in two directions, which causes congestion. When a train is heading west towards Bang Hwa and it stops at the station, a train that is heading east towards Siam and National Stadium has to wait on Taksin Bridge for 2 to 3 minutes before the train which stops at the station leaves the station and heads further. Until then, the train waiting on the bridge can later move and park and stop at the station. This problem also happens on the opposite direction. It has been this bottleneck problem since the line was extended to Wong Wien Yai back in 2009. So there were plans to remake the station. This is how the station looks like right now. But when they rebuild it, it will look like this. It will have two platforms like any other BTS stations on the network. Let's take a little bit closer here. The yellow parts are the ones that they will be constructing. The red parts are the bits that they are taking it out. The two Saton roads traffic will be moved because the central part of each bridge will be taken out because the station will be placed there and will be replaced with two more parallel bridges built on each side serving the same amount of space that has been taken out by the station. The bridge will have 3 lanes as usual, but the traffic will move slightly left on each side of the bridge. Plans to close the station will be in this year. Not sure what month, but the construction will be taken 40 months, 30 for the bridges to be constructed and 10 on the station itself. Until then, we will get a brand new Sapan Taksin station, which means this is the last chance you're going to see the single platform on the whole of the BTS network. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel.